cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Bogart Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Subaru Forester, and we're going to do the side chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the side window looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire side section of the chrome panel. The link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire side panel. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. However, if you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or some type of coating on the side panel, you can also use tank solution to help remove the remaining contaminants. And you're going to spray both solutions onto a clean microfiber towel, and then clean around the surrounding area just in case if the film does touch the paint or anywhere else on the body, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And then once we're done with the prep, make sure that everything's completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panel. Okay, so for the first install, which is this piece here, we're going to use the smallest piece here. So all you need to do is just align it right on the edge, and everything else should fall into place. We just need to make sure everything stays aligned. All we need to do now is just apply a little bit of heat to help the film start on the adhesive, start healing. So grab your heat gun. You could use a heat gun or hair dryer. Use the low setting and apply heat to help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And we should be good. That's how you would go about piece number 1, and now we move on to piece number 2. Okay, so now we're moving on to piece number 2. With this one, same process, just start the alignment on this section here. And then just follow through until you reach it to the other end. Just make sure you're covering the entire chrome panel, and then you should be good. So to do the alignment, you can follow either the bottom or the top section as a guide to align the film. Doesn't really matter, just as long as everything is being covered. And then this excess material, we just left it in case you need more room to work with. For example, if you need to move it more to the side here, you can. But if you don't need it, you can just trim it off. Okay, so just take out your blade and trim off right on the edge, since we don't need this. And that should be it. Go ahead and just grab your squeegee, tack down the film, remove all of the air bubbles that are trapped underneath the film, and then apply heat to start sealing the entire panel. And then once we're done sealing, the same steps that we're doing here, you repeat it to the back end here. Okay, so for this one, the last piece here, I recommend starting from the alignment here. That way you start from the pointy edge here and work your way down. So just do the same process for the alignment for this piece here. Follow through until you reach it here. So before you trim off any extra material, just make sure to apply heat to seal the entire film. And then go ahead and just trim off the extra that we have on the side here. And that's pretty much it. And once you're done doing the installation, the last thing to do would be to pulse heat everything, and we should be good. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation is to pulse heat everything. So you could use a heat gun or a hair dryer. Use the lowest setting on your device and just apply heat evenly throughout the entire side panel. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. So just take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the side window chrome delete installation for the Subaru Forester. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also, don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kits for the Subaru Forester. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.